Not everything is black and white. But this case was.
Ah, Simon Shovel. A real zinger of a mystery.
It was a tough nut, but Simon Shovel cracked it.
Simon Shovel always gets his guy.
Grandpa, do you have a big hat and coat like Simon Shovel? Can I try it on and play detective?
By Jove, that's a cracking good idea. Let's go. Now you look the part.
Thanks, Grandpa, but I'm still missing a magnifying glass.
Of course.
Didn't you have one in the living room to read the newspaper?
You're right. Let's go get it. I could have sworn I left the magnifying glass right here.
It's missing, Grandpa.
I'm afraid so, Mya.
Don't worry. Detective Go is on the case. It was my biggest job yet. First, I needed to ask Grandpa a bit more about this magnifying glass. So, just how big was this magnifying glass?
About the size of my hand, I'd say, Detective.
And what about the handle? What color was it?
I seem to remember it being grey.
Did it look something like this?
Yes, exactly.
I thought so. There's only one person who might know where it went.
Who?
Grandma Go. Come on, let's see if she knows anything. My first lead was Grandma Go, a solid dame. If she had any beans, I could count on her to spill 'em. Morning, ma'am. We're looking for this magnifying glass. Have you seen it?
Why, hello there, Detective. Let's have a look. Yes, I have.
Really? Where did you see it?
Well, I borrowed it to get a closer look at my flowers.
And?
And, well, Doggy Go started digging holes in the vegetable patch again. I put it down here before going to shoo him away. That's strange. It's not here.
Well, it couldn't have disappeared into thin air. Someone must have seen what happened to it.
Like who, Mya?
Someone like Sammy Go. Hey, kid, have you seen a magnifying glass? Magni what? Kid was being cute with me. You know, like a stick with a circle at the end. Doggy Go fetch. Did he now? This'll be one tough nut to crack. A lead that would blow this case wide open. Listen, pal, have you seen? He was being friendly. Too friendly. He definitely had something to hide. Time to let the cat out of the bag. You were digging holes again, weren't you? Wait a minute. Holes? This case is closed.
Really?
This is a carrot. And these are carrots. But this is not a carrot. Grandma took the magnifying glass from the living room. But when Doggy Go started playing in the vegetable patch, she put it down to stop him digging. Ooh! Then Sammy took the magnifying glass. Doggy Go fetch. When Sammy threw the magnifying glass from Doggy Go, he dug a hole and dropped the magnifying glass in it.
By Jove, you're right.
Ta-da! The case of the missing magnifying glass is solved!
Bravo!
Now I look like a real detective.
We already are one. Detective Mya Go, you found the magnifying glass.
Not everything is black and white, but this case was. Mya Go, laugh and play. Mya Go, what do we say? Mya Go solves the case.